care. Pull my chin, baby. I'm about something slow, baby. Okay, that's all there is to that song. It's the song is called Jeep. It's a song of Joe from the album And Then. It's a very simple chords, great structure. 3 chords that are repetitive. The only 2 new chords are, well, there's 3 new chords that he doesn't use often. 2 in the intro and 1 in the, I think I would say the pre-chorus. Alright, so when he starts off the intro, he plays a, okay, so that chord is a E flat minor 7 all the way up to the 11th fret. Okay, so bar, and you play that first string, and then in the first string you go from 11 to 13. Okay, so, and then a D flat 7. Okay, so the key to this is you don't have to play everything, but you have to hit the 7th fret, or sorry, the 9th fret. Okay, both. That's actually really all you need to play. You don't even need to play anything else. So. Okay, and then the next chord is an A flat minor 7. But before you go to the 4th fret to play that chord, you have a transition here on the 6th fret. So, okay. So again, just to recap. And then he starts the chorus, A flat minor 7. In my Jeep, baby. Okay. And then B flat minor 7. Okay. That last chord is an E flat minor 7 on the 6th fret. So, okay, so just to recap, A flat minor 7 on the 4th fret. B flat minor 7, just for a quick measure. E flat minor 7 on the 6th fret as well. Okay, so that's the entire chord of the chorus, and it repeats in the verse. Okay, so, and then in terms of timing, you just need to listen to kind of where it transitions, but it sounds like. I'm a jump in my heart, let's take a ride. I like spending my summer in precious ride. Right, so. Turn on the TV, relax a while. We can chill with the AC with windows down. So, yeah. Alright. And then in when he sings "Let's do some sipping while talking and writing," I think, and again, I'm not, when I listen to the record, I think what he's playing there is just he holds the A flat minor 7, but he probably, instead of just, right, he probably maybe is mixing it up with this E flat on the 4th fret here. E flat? No, not E flat. Sorry, this D flat right here. Okay, so let's do some sipping, we're talking and writing. Okay, the rest is the same. B flat minor 7, E flat minor 7. Repeat, and then. You end with a D flat 7, okay? The Jeep is our tonight, and then you go to the chorus, which is the exact same as what we've learned before, and that's it. Enjoy.